Ready to turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout spot? These cool Amazon gadgets will level up your outdoor setup, whether you're grilling, chilling, or lighting up the night. From smart upgrades to fun must-haves, these finds make any backyard feel like a getaway. All the products are linked in the description below. Keep your lawn perfectly green without lifting a finger. This smart sprinkler system connects to an app, letting you control watering zones, timing, and patterns from anywhere. It adapts to weather conditions, pausing during rain and adjusting for heat or dryness automatically. Installation is quick and easy, no digging needed. Efficient, precise, and totally hands-free lawn care right from your phone. Keep your property protected day and night with this smart solar driveway alarm. The motion sensors detect heat and movement from cars, people, or animals up to half a mile away. Each unit runs on solar power, so there's no wiring or battery swapping needed. Choose between sound, light, or both for alerts. Weatherproof and reliable, it's your first line of defense for driveways, gates, and yards. Grill cleanup just went hands-free. This automatic grill cleaning robot scrubs away grease and grime while you relax. 3 rotating brushes spin at high speed, tackling stubborn buildup, so your grates are spotless in minutes. Just set it on the grill, press start, and let it do the work. It even beeps when finished. No scrubbing, no mess. Just more time to enjoy the barbecue and the company. Get ready to steal the spotlight. This all-in-one karaoke machine brings concert vibes straight to your living room with a built-in lyric screen and 2 wireless microphones. You can sing along to YouTube or any song you love, just tap once to remove vocals. Auto-tune and echo effects polish your sound, while the 80-watt speaker fills the room with music. Portable, powerful, and perfect for any party. Turn your backyard into the perfect hangout spot with this pop-up canopy. It sets up in seconds, no tools, no hassle, and the sturdy steel frame locks securely in place. The mesh walls keep bugs out while letting in a refreshing breeze. Its weather-resistant fabric blocks harmful UV rays, so you can relax in cool shade all day. When you're done, it folds neatly into a wheeled bag for easy storage and travel. Keeping your pool spotless has never been this effortless. This cordless robotic cleaner dives in, scrubs the floor, walls, and even the water line all on its own. Its smart navigation maps your pool for complete coverage, while the double pass scrubbing leaves every surface sparkling. When it's done, it parks itself at the surface for easy pickup. No cords, no hassle, just crystal clear water every time you swim. Got mountains of leaves piling up? This electric leaf mulcher turns them into fine mulch in minutes. Its high-speed motor shreds up to 53 gallons per minute, reducing 11 bags of debris into just 1. The bladeless system is safe, efficient, and easy to clean. Lightweight yet sturdy, you can move it anywhere around your yard. Cleanup season just got faster and way more satisfying. Weeding just got way easier. This electric stand-up weed puller lets you say goodbye to bending, kneeling, and sore hands. Its powerful motor spins at high speed, pulling weeds out by the roots with a 3-claw steel head. A simple eject button releases them instantly, keeping your hands clean. Lightweight, cordless, and ergonomic, you'll clear your garden faster than ever without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime. This powerful electric pressure washer blasts away mess from driveways, cars, patios, and fences with ease. You get 3 nozzles to switch between a focused stream, a turbojet, or a gentle rinse, whatever the job calls for. The built-in detergent tank helps you clean faster, and the foot switch makes operation effortless. Tough on dirt, easy on you. This isn't your average flying detritus, a light show in motion. With 36 bright LEDs and over 16 million colors, it lights up every throw like a mini firework. Smart sensors turn it on when you toss and off when you catch, saving power for endless games. It's waterproof, rechargeable, and perfectly balanced for long, smooth flights. Perfect for nighttime fun, parties, or camping adventures. Meet the backyard upgrade you didn't know you needed. This smart pellet grill turns every cookout into a pro-level feast. You can smoke, sear, or roast with precise temperature control right from your phone. The stainless steel body resists rust, while the dome design keeps heat steady even in the rain. From slow-smoked ribs to seared steaks, you're in charge of the flavor every time. Say goodbye to waving your hands at flies during dinner. These clever bug fans keep insects away using spinning holographic blades that bend. Light bugs simply won't come near. The soft blades stop instantly on touch, so they're safe around kids and pets. Just switch them on and enjoy a bug-free zone indoors or out. Lightweight and battery-powered, you can take them anywhere for instant peace. Turn your backyard into a relaxation zone. This 4-person hot tub surrounds you with 13 soothing jets that melt away stress in minutes. The built-in LED lights set the perfect mood, day or night. It's plug and play, so you can set it up anywhere, no fancy wiring needed. With a sturdy shell, non-slip steps, and a snug cover, it's built for comfort, safety, and pure outdoor bliss. Cold garage? Not anymore. This portable electric heater blasts out instant warmth, quickly turning chilly spaces into cozy work zones. You can adjust the temperature, tilt the head, and move it anywhere thanks to its easy carry handle. The tough outer shell is built to handle rough conditions, while safety features like auto shutoff keep things worry-free. Just plug it in, and the heat starts rolling. Your pool parties just got an upgrade. This floating speaker brings booming 360-degree sound and colorful light shows right to the water. It's completely waterproof, so you can toss it in the pool, hot tub, or even take it to the beach without worry. Sync 2 together for true stereo sound and let the lights pulse with the beat. 6 hours of non-stop music, pure summer vibes, anywhere you float. Turn your backyard or balcony into a private little world. This pop-up bubble tent creates a cozy, weatherproof space that keeps out the cold while letting you enjoy a full 360 degrees view. You can sip tea, read, or stargaze without feeling the chill. It's roomy enough for a small table and chairs and sets up in minutes. Rain, wind, or snow, your clear igloo stays warm, bright, and inviting. Give your home a glow that matches every mood. These color-changing outdoor lights let you shift from cozy amber to cool whiter pick from millions of vibrant colors with a tap or voice command. They sync to music, set on timers, and even follow your daily schedule. The sleek up and down design adds modern charm to any wall. Rain, heat, or snow, these durable aluminum fixtures shine through it all. Grill cleanup just got way easier. This cordless grill cleaner spins a stainless steel roller at high speed, blasting away burnt-on mess with zero effort from you. No dangerous bristles, no scrubbing, just pure power. The built-in LED light lets you see every spot, even during nighttime barbecues. Charge it once, and you're ready to roll through grime like a pro. Light up your campsite like never before. This telescoping LED lantern rises high to spread bright, even light across your entire area. No dark corners, no tripping hazards. You can adjust the height, charge your phone, and enjoy up to 30 hours of glow on a single charge. It's waterproof, bug-friendly, and built to handle the outdoors. When packed up, it fits neatly into its padded case for easy carrying. Your backyard's about to glow smarter than ever. These smart deck lights don't just shine, they dance, shift, and sync to your favorite music. You can control every color, brightness, and timing right from your phone or by simply asking your smart assistant. Each lamp can show its own color for dazzling patterns across your fence. Rain or shine, they keep your patio beautifully lit all year round. Simplify your watering setup with this multifunction outdoor faucet. It features 2 independent hose taps, so you can water the garden and wash the car at the same time, no switching needed. The central control lets you adjust spray pressure from a soft mist to a strong jet. Built to last and easy to install, it's a smart upgrade for any backyard, patio, or garden area. Turn any backyard into a full-on VIP experience with this massive inflatable nightclub. It sets up in minutes and instantly transforms into the ultimate party zone, complete with a shaded gazebo area, built-in spots to hang lights, and space for up to 50 guests. Made from tough, waterproof Oxford fabric, it's perfect for birthdays, events, or outdoor celebrations that deserve a little extra wow factor. Keep tabs on the weather like a pro with this smart Wi-Fi weather station. It tracks everything from wind speed and rainfall to UV levels and humidity all in real time on a bright color display. You can monitor it from anywhere using your phone and even get alerts when conditions change. Solar-powered, accurate, and ConnectEdit's the perfect tool for gardeners, homeowners, or anyone who loves staying weather aware. Say goodbye to buzzing pests with this solar-powered bug zapper that takes care of mosquitoes, flies, and gnats, no cords or sprays needed. It runs on sunlight by day and automatically zaps by night, giving you up to 12 hours of protection. You can hang it, stake it, or set it anywhere outdoors. Waterproof, rechargeable, and pet safe. This gadget keeps your nights peaceful and bite-free wherever you are. Light up the night, no wiring, no bills, no hassle. This ultra-bright solar street light covers huge areas with powerful daylight white LEDs and a wide-angle design that eliminates dark spots. It automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn, with motion and timer modes for smart control. Built from durable, weatherproof aluminum, it's ready for rain, wind, or snow. Big light, zero electricity, just pure, reliable brightness. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.